Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, this is Kumar Gaurav and I welcome you all to the official YouTube channel. Here in this video, we are going to discuss some important root words that are related to Word Power Made Easy book. That is the complete explanation. We can say that we are going to have a complete explanation of the Word Power Made Easy book. Okay, you all are familiar with the book, वो रेड वाली मोटी वाली book, that is the Word Power Made Easy. So today this is the part 1, means we are going to discuss some important roots and we are going to form some different words based on the roots. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all, we would like to have some sort of roots and its examples with its meaning. This is Thay and it is the meaning of it is actually the root. Okay, Thay is the root and the meaning of this root is God or religion, means somehow this word is related to a god or we can say religion. Okay, and the next root is East. This is I-S-T, East. East means follower or we can say a person. Okay, whenever we use this word East means a person, it is related to a person. Okay, so whenever we combine these two words we find theist. Okay, it means that one who believes in God. Okay, just try to understand what is the real meaning of root. Root means whenever we think about a word like bibliography. Okay, this is a very common word in the world of root words. Whenever we think about root words, that is Norman Lewis, or we can say that Word Power Made Easy, that book is ruling. Okay, so here bibliography, we have two different we can say two different roots being used in this word and it is being separated now. Here biblio means this word biblio means books. Okay, or we can say that related to books, and graphy, you all know graphy means writing or we can say to sorry, we can say to write. Whenever we are talking about writing or write, that is graphy is the word which is just used to represent writing. Okay, so whenever bibliography is the word that comes to you, then you have to understand writing of books is called bibliography. So this is the root word or power of root word. Okay, we can go through some different words using biblio or graphy. Okay, like let me make you understand. Let's erase this all and let's put some more examples, such as whenever we talk about this is bibliophile. Okay, this is another word, bibliophile, or sometimes it is just known as bibliophilia. Okay, so biblio means here, biblio means related to books or books. Okay, and here phile or philia means love or lover. Okay, so someone who is in love with books means one who loves books or reading books. So these are the people are known as bibliophile. Okay, so we can say that root words are very much important for your vocabulary section, and Word Power Made Easy is the main book, or we can say king book in the world of root words. Okay, so let's begin with another word, like let me erase these all. If we go through some more root words, or we can say example, like Thay and East. Second is atheist. First one is theist. Theist means astic. In Hindi we say astic, one who believes in God or one who worships God. Okay, and if we put a before theist, then it just the meaning of this word is just the opposite, like one who don't believe, sorry, yeah, it is wrong, one who doesn't believe in God, means like Nastik, we can say in Hindi it is called Nastik. And whenever we talk about mono means one. Okay, here mono means only one. So theist means one who worships God, and here we can add mono with theist. It means one who believes in only one God. So the person who believes in only one God is known as monotheist. And whenever we are talking about a person who believes in more than one, like polytheist. Poly means here, just try to understand the meaning of the word. Here we are using poly. Okay. Poly means, actually it is a literal meaning. Poly means many. So whenever we are talking about theist, okay, so theist means a person who believes in God, okay, means we can say astic, okay, and whenever we are talking about polytheist means one who believes in more than one, or we can say one who believes in many gods, okay. So here is the meaning, like one who believes in many gods. So polytheist means is the word, okay, used for a person who believes in many gods. Now pantheist. Pan means overall, okay. Here pan America, pan India. Pan India means all over India, or whenever we are talking about pan America, then all over America. And now we are talking about pantheist, means one who believes in all gods across all religion, okay. Like many of you thinks that like many of you believe that all the religion has its own speciality, or we can say God, they have their own respect. So you have to respect their God and your too. So whenever we are talking about your religion's God, or we can say like if you're Hindu and you have respect for other religions too, so we can say that you are pantheist, means you believe in gods of all religion, okay. So next, the second word is logi, okay. This is many of the people say logi, but this is logi. Logi means, whenever we are talking about logi, it means study, okay. So logi means study of something. So whenever we are talking about okay, theology means here whenever we are talking about theo means, actually this is the spelling error. This is not the way it is written, but it should be like let me tell you, it should be theo, means we are just taking it here, we are writing theology. So in this word we have two different roots, like logi means study of what? Theo means God. Right now we have studied okay. So this is somehow related to the word used in this root, okay. That is theology, means one who studies about God or religion, some kind of, whenever they are doing research, any kind of research, study on God or religion. Like many of you have been gone through the different subjects or paper of researchers, like many of the researchers, they try to research on Rama, Krishna, Lord Krishna, or Ravan, okay. So whenever we are talking about these people who studies about any god or religion, we can say that they are theologist. Theologist means the person, and theology means that study is known as, okay. And next is anthropology. Here is another word, anthrop, okay. Anthrop means people or human being, okay. We can say human being. So whenever we are talking about anthrop, the meaning is human being, and logi means study, means one who studies human being, or we can say the person who studies human being are known as anthropologist. Again we are using ist, this word you can understand. Ist means a person. I have written here a person, one who does this, okay. So anthropologist means the person, or anthropology means that study is known as anthropology. Next is morphology, okay. The next is morphology, and here morph means structure, okay. So morphology means study of structures, different structures. We can say like different structures like monuments, or any kind of historical structures like pyramids, or any all those type of stuff, okay. Next, so the next word is anthropomorphism. Anthropomorphism. Anthro means human being and morphism means giving human structure to God. Like whenever we think about God, we think about a head, okay, and a body, and hands, legs, with different hands, we can say. So somehow they are similar to the structure of human being. So this is morphism. So this is the word and the meaning. It means giving human structure to God. जो भगवान जी होते हैं ना, उनको एक ह्यूमन के स्ट्रक्चर में डालना. Okay, next, zoomorphism. Here zoo means animals and morphism means structures to God. Okay, so giving animal structures to God is called zoomorphism. Next one is amorphic, or we can say amorphic. Actually it is amorphic. It means that no particular structure. If somebody or something is not in a defined structure, we can say that that is amorphic. The next word, let's move on to the next slide, or the next root that is very much important, and it is I think very much many of the people are aware of this word, that is phobia. And this root is very much important, phobia, and it is very common root. Okay, whenever we are talking about phobia means fear or dislike. So whenever we are talking about zoophobia, okay, zoo means animals. Just right now, just we have studied zoo means animals and phobia means fear of animals. So whenever we have fear of animals, so we can say that we have zoophobia. Next, androphobia. Andro means boys, okay, or we can say male. Sometimes another word is used, andry. Andry means husband. Okay, so andro comes from andry comes from andro, that is male or boys. So whenever someone is fear of boys, or we can say someone doesn't like boys or male category, so we can say that that person is androphobic. So androphobic means that person, and androphobia is the fear. Okay, next, gynophobia. This is the word gynophobia. Gyno means girls or women, and phobia means fear or dislike. Okay, so whenever someone is doesn't like girls or female category, so we can say that that person is gynophobic. Gynophobic means the person, and gynophobia means that fear. Okay, next, the next is pedophobia. Pedo means child, and pedophobia means one who doesn't like children or child, we can say, or so that person is known as pedophobic, or we can say pedophobia, that fear. Next is demophobia. Demo means public. Okay, like democracy. Whenever we talk about democracy, let's try to understand democracy. So it means cracy means rule. Okay, to govern, to rule. So whenever we are talking about cracy, it means rule, and demo means public. Okay, so what is the meaning of this word? Rule by public is known as that system is known as democracy. In India, it is democracy, and it is the largest democracy in the world. Next, demophobia means one who is just fear of public speaking or facing people. So we can say that that person is demophobic. And next word is anthrop. Anthrop means human being, and phobia means one who just like we can say one who doesn't like. Here is doesn't. Okay, doesn't like the company of human being, or simple in simple word we can say aloof. Aloof means one who wants to be alone, like introvert people, they want to be alone. Okay, they want to be reserved. So all these people are known as anthrophobic. Next, theophobia. Theophobia means theo means any kind of religion or god. We have studied this word. So here theophobia means one who has fear of religion or god. So I hope you all understood whatever I have taught you in this session, and I hope you all enjoyed. So see you in the next session. I'll be having more sessions on word power made easy, root words, and I hope you all understood and enjoy the video. See you in the next video.